A tornado warning has been issued for our area.
And schedule help us survive the climate.
The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a tornado warning for Central Wood County in northwestern West Virginia until 12:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Parkersburg, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Parkersburg around 12:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Davisville and Blennerhassett.
Medicare coverage checkup. We can look up your plan and see if you're missing out on a plan.